Do you want to create an EFT file? Treasury Software's ACH Universal makes it easy. ACH Universal helps you create EFT files specifically formatted for all Canadian banks. Our software is downloaded and installed at your location. If you're using QuickBooks, click on the QuickBooks icon to open our proprietary integration window to view and select transactions to include in your transmission file. If using QuickBooks Online, click on the icon below it to open our QuickBooks Online integration window. If you've saved your data into an Excel or CSV file from your accounting package or legacy system, you can select the file to import, or you can simply copy and paste the data. This enables you to create EFT files locally and upload directly to your bank. You can try it now for 30 days without risk or obligation. No credit card is needed. And you can create files to test with your bank even before purchasing. Ready to license? ACH Universal starts at just $19.95 per month. First time working with electronic payments or just need some help? We make it easy and include full phone support with all subscription licenses. Just give us a call or schedule an online appointment. Thousands of clients already use our software. Download your free, full working 30-day trial now or contact us to schedule a personal demonstration.